Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we've got this Poulan Pro leaf blower in. Strange one. Won't move. Won't turn over. Picked it up for free. We're just going to tear into it and see what's failed on it. And we might be able to bring it back. Depends what's wrong with it. Sit tight. I'll jump in and let's see what's going on with it. Okay, so let's see what we are into here. So, it won't go. Spark plug is out of it, and I can use this little rod, push the piston down, so it's not stuck. But it's hitting something dead stop. It's just stopping. Piston's coming up and stopping. I don't know why. Let's tear the covers off, and we'll see if we can find out why. I mean, if it needs a top end set or any interior internals, it's probably not worth fixing. But I'm curious. I want to see what's going on with it. So let's get that through there. Plug wire. And get this little shield off of here. Well, not with that bit I'm not. It's 27. The bit I need is 25. This one. This should open up holes through the top end that we can get a Allen key down into the, there you go, the 4 holes here. Should be able to get an Allen key down in there and get that, the 4 screws out of the bottom of the top end here. Probably smart to pull the carb off. Yeah. What else is holding this thing together? Not sure. Maybe nothing. Let's get the carb off there though. Those 25 little Torx guys. Maybe. Yep, and the nut that's not supposed to turn is turning. So is that one. Well, that's unfortunate. It's a little captured nut in here that's spinning. What the heck is going on in there? Huh. Never had that before. Well, that's not going to be so easy to get off. It's just a couple of, I just wanted to get the cable off, the throttle cable. The fuel lines are attached, but, well, they're not really attached. They're just kind of falling apart here. Let's disconnect fuel lines. Let's get that throttle cable out of there. That's off. How easy is it to get that off of there? Let's see if we can just get a wrench to turn that. What do you figure, 3/8 or 10 millimeter? Well, 10 millimeter guys win. Holy, you don't want to move, do you? Oh, jeez. Everything is stuck. Okay, plan 2. Let's get the 2 Phillips screws out of the top of the carburetor. We should just be able to get that top off, and then the throttle cable will come with it. One. Got to loosen the idle screw to get the throttle to move back far enough to access that screw. The idle screw here. Okay. Don't lose it. Well, it's the whole slide out of the carburetor. It's not easy. Not usually. All right, well, let's get an Allen key down in there. I don't know the size, so we'll try a couple. This one? Nope. Probably metric anyway. Well, this one's not quite right, but well, cracked it loose, so these are not metric keys. The wrenches aren't. That one's loose. That one's loose. You watch. We'll get to the last one and it'll strip. One more. Muffler should come off with it, as long as there aren't any shields or anything holding it up. Piston and rod will stay in the engine. Let's just get this out of the way for now. Oh, that top end's loose. The bolts are falling out. Okay. Well, there's nothing on the top of the bore riding around on the piston. Aha! It's hitting the coil. Huh. Coil's loose. Coil comes in from the other side, all the fasteners are on the inside. We might actually bring this one back. My guess is somebody thought it was seized. Somebody thought that the top end was blown. Let's check the rings. Oh, top ring is broken. There is no top compression ring. Oh, the piston's damaged. The wrist pin is damaged. Oh, this is, well, that's not good. This should be nice and free and movable, but it's not. See some rust down in there too. The lower end bearing, the big end bearing is okay, but this one is very notchy. Not very nice. It is freeing up. Piston is scored quite badly on the intake side. Not so bad on the exhaust side, which is opposite of normal. That tells me the air filter has not been doing its job. Huh. Well, if it was only the coil interfering with the flywheel, we'd be able to put this thing back together, but I don't think we're gonna get there on this one. Well, you can't win them all. I guess we'll close this video out here. Quick one. Unsuccessful. Thanks for joining me, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you do subscribe, give the bell a dingle. It'll let you know when I upload new videos. Till the next one, hopefully a successful one. Take care.